Claude has now resonated with the email marketing so far. Now, there is a lot of easiest way to get started with Claude, but nowadays the actual Claude actually has done a really great work, and that is the actual marketing tools. So basically, the next generation of the AI email sometimes is Stack or Slack. So to make Claude change your email performance forever, you have to move past basic copy pasting by utilizing these native APIs onto the data platforms like the Claude or the Behave Cloud, reads real customer metrics to make real execution decisions. So let's look at a concrete example of how this works into real time, which is the predictive win back flow. For this, I'm going to open a new tab and look out for Claude. Inside Claude, what I'm going to be doing here is to open and log in directly into my free account that I currently have directly available, which is claude.com. Usually what I do is to log in with my Google account to make this much more faster, and this process will be having now access directly inside them. Directly here into the Claude, what I do is to have the element that says verify your password and complete the linking directly into my linking account. Sometimes this happens, sometimes this doesn't happen, so just wait a few seconds to see if this one actually worked. Now that I have my actual account connected, usually what I do is try to do two things. Try to make the actual connection between Claude and Claude, or try to work at the same time. So let's say, for example, here, let's say connect to my Claude account to work together. There we go. Now, once again, sometimes it will be asking you for a few elements. So here into the element that says connect, and you're actually good to go. Now, in my case, I needed to log out because I'm actually out of tokens. So I'm going to go for get started once again. I'm going to hit for the element that says continue with the Claude. And here, the most easiest way always is to use exactly the same Gmail account that you're currently using with both Claude and your actual Claude account. So the same question will be added directly inside here, which is connect to my Claude account to work together. Right? Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. If the actual connector is available, it will be telling you that they found an actual Claude connector. So the only thing you needed to do is to hit for the element that says connect. When I hit for connect, it will be asking you to make the account mismatch. In this case, I needed to sign out and switch account. I needed to use exactly once again the same Google account in order to make this process happen. So let's go for connect. Here's connect. Here we go. I'm going to try this back again. So let's go for connect once again. I'm going to close this and approve the Claude MCP server to make this process really fast. Once I have selected this element, it's going to be really important to select the current account that you're going to be using in order for allowing that to happen. Once you have successfully connected that element and you hit into the element that says connect, I want to try to do this once again just to make sure this actually works really fine. So I'm going to try to select once again the current account. Let's go for allow. And if it doesn't help you, sometimes you can choose a different account to see if Claude actually worked for you. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. In my case, since this one has not been correctly added, I'm going to close Claude. I'm going to hit into quit. I'm going to hit into exit, and I'm going to try to open this once again. Once you have successfully looked that element, you can have the predictive win backflow additionally, and you can check out the Claude account interrogation has now been correctly added. So it will be helping, let's say for example, help me create my first welcome email for my new subscribers into Claude. Depending on the question that you asked, it will be asking you for a few questions to make it feel a little bit more personal, in this case for my own brand. For example, what kind of e-commerce or brand this is for. In my case, let's go for e-commerce or product brand. And I wanted to go for drive a first purchase offer discount, warm and friendly. With this information, sometimes the actual application will be done to be working on. So I'm going to skip this and just please hold. I'm going to offer 20% off. And I think this will be more than welcomed to create a welcome email and set it up to the actual Claude right away. So I wanted to always create the connection between Claude and the actual Claude to make sure it actually works so far. Now that I have added that specific information, usually what I do is to just wait a few seconds to see if the actual Claude has not been correctly added. So basically what I do is to just wait here. I'm going to close my Claude and I wanted to see if the actual campaign has not been correctly added directly inside this element. Usually it will be taking more than 1 minute, but still I just needed to wait to see the actual Claude actually make the actual real example inside there. So as you can see, it says you can view and edit it directly inside here. So basically what I need to do is to hit it directly inside here. I'm going to open this link, and you can see that it will be sending me directly into the mail editor, so I can start changing that element. So if I like the colors, I can change the colors. If I wanted to change, for example, the welcome element, you can change that welcome element and do as it actually says. This is how we can actually use the actual Claude against the actual Claude. So email marketing isn't about shouting at a giant crowd anymore. It's about holding thousands of high and relevant individualized conversation at scale. This is where Claude actually starts. So guys, if this looked like a modern data-driven reality of email marketing, open your eyes, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more serial flop software walkthroughs, and drop a comment below letting me know what platform are you currently using to send your emails. So upgrade your data pipelines. See you guys into the next master class.